Hello everyone, here is your daily stock market update for 13th August 2026. The Indian stock markets ended on a mixed note today. The Nifty 50 index down by 40.10 points to close at 24,395.85. The BSE Sensex advanced by 113.61 points to close at 78,079.96. And the Nifty Bank down by 250.60 points to close at 57,635.25. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, metal, private bank, oil and gas, PSU bank, healthcare index and pharma closed in the red, while all other sectors ended in the green. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Tata Consumers, Tata Motor Passenger Vehicle, NTPC, Hindustan Unilever and Shriram Finance. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Hindalco, ICICI Bank, Ultratech Cement, Grasim Industries and SBI Life Insurance. Let's take a look at market news. TCS clarified that N. Chandrasekharan's term as Tata Sons chairman ends on February 20, 2027. Despite the Tata Trust recommending a 5-year extension, the proposal lacked unanimous board support and remained unresolved for 6 months. After 40 years with the Tata Group, he will not seek reappointment and has asked the board to begin the succession process for a smooth transition. Apollo Hospitals reported its consolidated Q1 fiscal year 2027 financial performance, with revenue from operations increasing by 20.56% year-on-year to 7,043.5 crore rupees from 5,842.1 crore rupees, while net profit attributable to owners grew by 34.17% year-on-year to 580.7 crore rupees from 432.8 crore rupees. Jio Financial Services has announced a major partnership with Bank of America, which will invest up to 18,268 crore rupees in Jio Credit for a stake up to 49.9%. The deal will bring additional capital and global financial expertise to Jio Credit, supporting its expansion in India's lending market. Mahindra and Mahindra promoters Anand and Anuradha Mahindra have contributed 8.67 lakh Mahindra and Mahindra shares worth around 300 crore rupees to Mahindra University and Mahindra Education Institutions. The contribution completes their 500 crore rupees pledge announced in 2024, supporting education, scholarships, research, infrastructure and student development. TCS has partnered with Vodafone Business to accelerate AI-led transformation across cloud, AI, cybersecurity, networks, analytics, IoT and managed services, leveraging Vodafone 3's £11 billion network investment. The partnership will support UK enterprises across public sector, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail and critical infrastructure, helping modernize technology, reduce complexity and enhance customer experience. L&T has secured a mega order through Vyoma.ai and LTN Compute to build India's largest NVIDIA B300 AI factory with 10,000 GPUs in Chennai for US-based Together AI. The gigawatt-scale facility will support AI training, inference and fine-tuning, marking L&T's entry into AI factory services and strengthening India's AI infrastructure. HCL Technology has expanded its partnership with NetApp to offer hybrid cloud storage as a service, helping enterprises scale AI and Gen AI workloads with flexible, consumption-based infrastructure. The solution combines HCL Technologies' U4X framework with NetApp keystones to improve data readiness, scalability and governance, accelerating the shift from AI pilots to enterprise-scale adoption. Max Healthcare reported its consolidated Q1 fiscal year 2027 financial performance, with revenue from operations increasing by 16.70% year-on-year to 2,366.17 crore rupees from 2,027.57 crore rupees, while net profit attributable to owners grew by 4.71% year-on-year to 322.49 crore rupees from 307.97 crore rupees. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.